Menteri Rangba kajela u Konrad ke sangma hakalai tarik no pra ulapunya so lang hakajingra ke International Day of Persons with Disabilities hakajingalang kabalalong ha susu tham auditorium Shillong hakajingadan lang unong ai but katanat social welfare uba polling do haba a jingkran Menteri Rangba ulaong bagajing tho bashisha jong ka imlang sa lang kamde kumno ban le eki baklan Henry kumno ban kintiyo eki tu ki bayakin do eki jing e Benta ka sngi rakhe ka jingla ka bapla ka bor ban jom ban thao bat ban ai min sim ulaong bakarun san bakong san jok Meghalaya kalapan kala eki jinga thu khana naka jing ai jingarap shaka hong naka jing sngo sin ai shaka buram bat naki jing tho shaki jingla Lingba ka Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project nila thao ya ka kinhuan Eastern Brook Band ka kinhuan kinong tem nongput ki badan ye ki jingduna ha ki department ki bamenta ki ra ya ka khana jong jilla jongi shaka perthai ulaong u Konrad ula banrap ru baka disability anthem baningkong e jong ka Meghalaya kalapun mandor thama ya ka jingsngo thok pat ba shaka dak jong jingkermen ha ka jilla baro ka wei ki jinga kop ya tai nia ka bakan thop lang jongi kalapli ki jingkhang jogi college nakabanta ki samla puli ki badan jingduna ha ka bor perkhat perdan nila itho ya lai phongot ki bri ki badan jingduna ki badai ki nongseng kam la jong nila beiting ka mar ar point san lak tingka shaki phrangot ki weipan bat seng ya ka CSC baningkong e ha ka than shate la mi ni balapanya de ki bri ki badan jingduna ula pentem Haduk menta nila pentre kampura ya ka Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act ka Meghalaya Rules but ka State Policy for Empowerment ula ong bat pentip ba subway tali ki office sarkar lashna bakin long ki bala ban poi da mano ru bat ki dan haduk prapasal tali ki website ka sarkar ki bala ban pandan kam Menteri Rangba ula ong ru ba ka Meghalaya Sign Bank a shipawa jartali ki sign bala yo khusnam hakari kalapan thikna ya kajinga shimbenta lingba ki core digital da baro ki nong shong shnong ki jing a jingarap jongi kalapoi sha baro ki district bat ki sapun riyo tali ki blong ha ka ba hadu life ar hajar ngot ki beriyo ki badan jingduna kiladan ya ki identity card ula ong haba benram ba santu pratali ki scholarship la ai manla usnam sha ki samla puli ki badan jingduna ha ki department bat kiladan hadu life pa nyo phongot ki bala yo jingmon toy nakani Menteri Rangba ulapun ko buram ru ya ki bapau khaman hapdeng ki badan jingduna bat sam ru ya ka khusnam shaki nong job jong ka Inclusive Film Festival Empower Fest
Friends, today we are here to celebrate extraordinary ability. The power to overcome, to create and to inspire. 3 years ago, Empower Fest was an idea. Today, what we have seen, it is truly a movement. Meghalaya's flagship platform has shifted narratives from charity to rights, from pity to dignity, and from labels to ability. We just witnessed the Eastern Brook Band that had played one of their own compositions. In fact, it was the anthem, the Meghalaya's first disability anthem. And I'm proud to say that through different programs of the government and through different programs of different departments, including the Chief Minister's special grant, we have been able to give opportunities like never before to our differently abled friends. And today we witnessed one of those very, very special moments where they played their anthem in front of us live. I remember the lead guitarist who is somebody I really adore, he had mentioned to me that he wanted to have an Ibanez guitar. And that was what motivated me to support them. And we bought the guitar and all the equipments for the entire band. And for me, as a person who plays a bit of guitar once in a while, I can't imagine the talent that he has, where he is able to play the guitar and the solo the way he did today. I think he and the entire band deserve a huge round of applause. We are truly proud of you. Our inclusive debate competition opened college doors to neurodivergent students. We identified 30 PWD entrepreneurs, funded 8 with 2.5 lakh each, and established the first PWD run CSC, which is the first in the entire Northeast. We also organized the first blind football tournament, which taught us what solidarity truly means. Friends, as of today, we have fully implemented the rights of persons with disability, the Meghalaya rules, and the state policy for empowerment. We made 41 government buildings fully accessible. We made 84 government websites accessible. Our Meghalaya Sign Bank app, 10,000 signs, which was nationally awarded, ensures that digital participation is there for all. Our statewide community-based rehabilitation network reaches all districts and 46 blocks. Over 70% UDID coverage means 32,000 PWDs have their identity cards. We awarded 58 merit-based scholarships annually. 370 students have benefited. Our district resource centers bring physiotherapy, speech therapy, audiology, and early intervention services to every corner. Last year, we became the first state in the Northeast to embed mental well-being within governance. But friends, the real story unfolds in the lives of those who refuse to be limited. Elinda Mary Maulon, a class 12 student with hearing impairment, began as a MOCHAM bakery intern and now serves as bakery lab assistant with discipline and excellence. She was felicitated on International Day of the Girl Child. Elinda proves that opportunity and perseverance transforms lives. Singshran G. Momin from Abima suffered a serious accident in class 4. But instead of accepting defeat, he earned his bachelor's degree from Don Bosco College, Tura. Today, he serves as branch post manager and trains daily for his dream, representing India in the Para-Olympics. Singshran teaches us that challenges do not limit us or encourage us. Kennedy Rinja, a poet with over 60 poems, and many of them have been adapted into songs. He pursues his Bachelor of Business Administration while managing his YouTube channel, Music of Kensho. His vision of creating inclusive spaces for creativity and community reflects a forward-looking spirit. Kennedy embodies turning challenges into platforms for change. I think many of you may not know this, but Kennedy Rinja can speak Japanese and Korean also. Yes, he deserves a round of applause. And he learned all of it online. All of it online. Some of you may not even know this, but he's also a music composer. And he wishes to have his own studio so that he can start composing and recording his music and help others to also compose and to record their music. Kennedy, I don't know where you are. There you are. You are very intelligent, I must say. Emotionally and even politically, I must say. You said very nice things about me, saying that I play the guitar very well, though I don't. That made me feel very nice. Because most of the time as politicians, everybody speaks bad about me. So for the first time, I heard somebody speak good things about me. So I thank you for that, though it's not true, but I thank you. And I want to tell you that we are here to be with you, to support you and many friends who have different challenges. But as I said, who look at these challenges as opportunities and don't give up because of those challenges. But you look at that and you fight. And that spirit is something that will motivate many who are sitting out here. So I want to tell you that through my Chief Minister's special grant, I will put up that studio for you. I will fund that studio for you. I know you want to put it up at your house, so we will put it up at the house. I just need what equipments you want to buy. You give me the list and we will buy those equipments, but only under one condition. And the condition is you have to call Paul and me for the first recording of the song, where Paul and I will play the guitar and the keyboard and we will record the first song together. Friends, there were so many other talented movie makers that we saw. And it's amazing how we as society and government sometimes have not been able to provide that platform that is required. And it's not that we have to do big things. It's the small things we do that really creates the difference. I hope that through programs like Prime, where we support entrepreneurs, including entrepreneurs with special abilities, through programs like the CM Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program, where bands like the Eastern Brook Band are supported, through programs like the Hello Meghalaya platform, OTT platform, where many of the filmmakers are being supported. I hope that more and more inclusive programs like these will be there in the future, and I promise you as a government that we will do our best to ensure that equity is there, to ensure that all will get the opportunity, irrespective of what conditions they are in. But the desire, the talent, and if they have the will and the determination to move forward, our government will ensure that we support each and every one of you. I must take this opportunity at this moment to congratulate and to thank all the officials. This would not be possible without all of you. As rightly mentioned by so many who spoke before me, it's not about the programs, the schemes, the different policies that we have. It is about the heart that you need to make those programs and policies truly meaningful. And I must say and conclude by saying that I've seen the kind of commitment, the heart, the passion with which you work is truly the driving force that is taking this department forward. So I congratulate the director, the commissioner, all the other officials, and especially the officials working at the grassroots level. Please continue to do the good work that you do. I'll conclude by just reminding all of you that I always tell each and every one that at the end of the day, there must be something that drives you. For me, as I said, one line that I tell myself every morning when I get up is that I will today ensure that I will make a positive difference in a person's life. And this one motivation in one line drives me to do things that I never thought I could do. I see this drive in Kennedy. I see this drive in Sing Shrang. And all the others who are here today receiving the awards, and all those who have participated. I wish you all the very best, and I wish you success in all your future endeavors. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shigun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.